I have a brand new release from Planything, and it's all about travel. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I have a new arrival from Planything. This is her June release, and it is perfect for summer because it is all about travel. I saw some sneak peeks that she sent me, and I cannot wait to open this up and flip through. First, though, let me tell you, this releases on June the 1st, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So June the 1st, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you're going to want to grab this one up. I can't even, there's one set that I'm super excited about, and I'm sure you'll be able to tell when I'm flipping through. So if you want to see a flip through of her new release and a quick plan with me, stay tuned. Okay, so this release all about the travel, and you guys, there's so much washi tape. I can't even. I'm super, super excited about all of this washi tape. Okay, here's what we're going to do. All of the washi tape corresponds with some of the stickers. And so we're going to open up the washi tape, and we have our little airplane right here. And then we have some great standards. Oh my gosh, more scallops. You all know that I'm obsessed with the scallops. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open the washi tapes, and we are going to swatch those out so you can see them. And then we're going to flip through the book. All right, so these are some fabulous washi tapes. So fun. This whole travel theme just makes me think of one of my amazing patrons who likes to take trips in her planner. Faith travels all over the world, but in her planner, and these are perfect for her. So you have all of these beautiful animals. My daughter is going to take this washi tape away from me. I love this for your safari feel. Then look at the cute Australia one, adorable. We have Japan represented, Brazil, Paris. I'm so excited about the Paris set because you guys, the Olympics, and I'm here for it. This one is like your just general travel feel. You got your airplane, all the suitcases, the pictures, things like that. Mexico. Then you have London with all of the icons of each of these cities. New York. I believe this one is going to be Italy. Love, love, love. And then the airplanes down below. And then 4 brand new ones that kind of jump into her standard sets. You guys know I'm obsessed with the scallops, and I will be wanting scallops in all of the colors. So I'm super glad that she is still releasing those. Loving the new washi tapes. Just so fun, especially for a traveler's notebook for the summer. As you are traveling around, having the traveler themed pieces is going to be amazing. So a ton of new washi tape available. Great deals on washi tape at Planything. And then, of course, a new sticker book, which we are all very excited about. Travel around the world, you guys. Oh, it's going to be so good. Look at it. Okay, I love the feel of these stickers. They look hand-drawn, which I think is such a fun way. Instead of being super realistic, this is like a more artsy way. You have New York, you have the Statue of Liberty. Love it. With the bridge, Metro card, and the taxi. Those are so, oh, look at the bull. That's super cool. And this one, you guys, I'm obsessed with the Paris. Obsessed with Paris. That's going to be so good. So it's one sheet, which is kind of nice because how often are you going to do a very specific spread like that? Look at the London one. That is so cute. Get into Japan. with the sushi. That's adorable. And the cherry blossom tree. And then we have some functional stickers mixed in. So I like that she went with gray because it goes with all of them. It goes with all of the different ones. Here into Mexico. Look, a little llama making its way in. It's a kilo bottle. Australia. Sydney Opera House. These are just fun. Love the Italy one. Just makes my heart happy. That's where we did our anniversary trip one year. So amazing, our 10-year anniversary. Oh my goodness, the animals. I love it. My daughter's favorite animal is an elephant. She's going to love that sticker. And then some more functional boxes. Beautiful Brazil. Oh, I love it. Love the colors. And then we have our general travel. It's just so fun. And then a few little quotes. Life is a collection of moments. Travel money can always return. Time will not. Go where you feel most alive. Little moments make big memories. Today's moments are tomorrow's memories. So much world, so little time. And travel is my therapy. Look at those. Oh my gosh, is that a huge sticker? Let me get my tweezers. Is this one huge sticker? If so, that is pretty darn cool. It doesn't want to come up right now. All right, there we go. Yes, this appears to be one humongous sticker all the way across. Love those. That is a fun way to document travels. Beautiful. All right, so 15 sticker sheets, 283 stickers, perfect to document your summer travels or maybe even your travel wish list for the future. All right, I'm super excited about all of the new washies, all of the new stickers. Tell me what you think. Again, all of these release on June the 1st, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's do a plan with me. Today, I am planning in my horizontal layout planner. This is a planner that I use primarily for creative journaling, jotting down a few notes and thoughts each and every day. And we're going to go with a general travel theme. It is full on summer around here, and my family does have a few travels in front of us this summer that I am very much looking forward to. Let me know down below, what are your summer plans? Are you traveling this summer? Where are you headed? What are you excited about? Even if you're not traveling, what are you excited about over the summer? I know the summer is not everyone's jam. Not everyone loves the warm weather, but I very much enjoy the sunshine. I very much enjoy the pool days. Lots to love about the summer, and especially the fact that we won't have to jump right up and get kids up and out the door first thing. A little bit of a slower morning is always something that I look forward to this time of year. I started out with the washi tape at the bottom and at the top. This is washi tape again, that has kind of a general travel feel, and I love putting washi tape on the edges of this particular spread because again, it preserves that writing space, which is pretty important to me. I knew I had to use one of these world stickers. I think they are gorgeous. I went with the one that had a little bit more of the pink tones in it because I felt like it matched a little better. There were a few places I could have put it. I decided let's go up top. Yes, is this covering a ton of space on this particular Monday? It absolutely is. I am going to add a box over here to give myself some more room to write Monday things, and then I'll just work around it because this is my creative journal. I can make some adaptations to deal with a little bit more stickering depending on what's going on for a particular week. So I added that longer box to give me some room, and then I had to add this quote. So much world, so little time. How true is that? I feel like that quote is almost like the title of this particular spread. Then I'm going to look to add a few more boxes in some other places. I was trying to figure out, do I want to add boxes up top? I don't know that I actually need those boxes up top. It just felt like it was covering up so much of the sticker that it kind of defeated the purpose of the world sticker being there. So I thought, let's leave that alone. Let me fight my urge to cover every last little inch of this spread with stickers, remembering that a lot of times once I fill it in with words, with writing, then it feels even more complete. So that's always something I say to people when they're like, my spread feels off or it feels unbalanced. consider the writing, consider where the writing is going to go, consider how you can change up your writing in certain places, adding titles and some different fonts and things like that. And that a lot of times will end up bringing a balance to your spread in the end. Also, just a side note, I am working on top of sticker guides, and they came in so handy for this particular spread because I ended up having so much clustering going on, so many layered sticker moments, and I was able to plan out those moments on the sticker guide and then lift up the entire set and transfer it over to the actual spread. So it was great because I did change my mind on where certain things were going to go, and the sticker guides that I have from the Happy Planner are really helpful in just letting me plan out things in advance without fear of tearing the stickers as I end up moving them around the spread. Now you might be wondering, why am I adding functional boxes to a creative planning spread? Generally, I would just write almost like in paragraph form across the horizontal lines. When I add the functional boxes, I think it looks really nice. It allows for these decorative stickers to kind of make a little bit more sense. Instead of just being stuck on the page, there's some interaction there. I like to put either highlights of a particular day, something big that happened on that day, or even a big feeling, like one big word, tired or excited, or just something that kind of encompasses the whole day. That's what I like to put there. And then there's also been times where I put a little quote, a quote from a child. Those are great places to preserve those as well. I like to use those to make a part of my thought process, a part of my creative journaling, kind of stand out from the rest. All right, so I've planned out all my stickers, and then look how easy this is. Just picking up the whole huge set and putting it onto the page makes it, it was like stress-free sticker planning, and I'm here for it. All right, once I get this on, that's going to be it for my creative journal spread. Let me know what you think of this new travel release. I think it is absolutely perfection for the summertime and the upcoming travel season. Remember, all of these released today, June 1st, over at Planything. I have an affiliate link down below, and more importantly, I have a coupon code that you are definitely going to want to check out. So look in the description box down below, use that coupon code, and save yourself a little money on your purchase. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I do want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. It means the world. If you want to join us over on Patreon, you can find out more information about how to start your free trial down below. All right, I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.